All right. Task number 7, Introduction to WPScan. This is part of the module Web Enumeration, which is a prerequisite of the module Upload Vulnerabilities, which is part of the complete beginner path that we are doing on TryHackMe. So what is WPScan? First released in June of 2011, WPScan has survived the test of time and stood out as the tool that every pentester should have in their toolbox. The WPScan framework is capable of enumerating and researching a few security vulnerabilities categories present in WordPress sites, including but not limited to sensitive information disclosure, which is plugin and theme installation versions for disclosed vulnerabilities or CVEs, path discovery, looking for misconfigured file permissions, that is wp-config PHP, weak password policies, password brute forcing, presence of default installation, looking for default files, testing web application firewalls, common WAF plugins. So WPScan is basically a framework that you use to scan your WordPress application for different vulnerabilities. Installing WPScan, let's see if we have it installed. I presume I have it, WPScan. Yeah, we have it. WPScan, if we say h-h, we can see how to use it and all the flags. Good. Thankfully for us, WPScan comes pre-installed on the latest versions of penetration testing systems such as Kali Linux and Parrot. If you are using an older version of Kali, such as 2019, for example, WPScan is in the apt repo, so you can use the sudo apt update to update your packages and then install WPScan. Install WPScan on other operating systems such as Ubuntu or Debian involves extra steps. While the TryHackMe attack box comes pre-installed with WPScan because it's a Kali Linux machine, you can follow the developer's installation guide for your local environment. Here we are brought to the GitHub page of WPScan, and here you see the installation steps. You can check out if you have a different system than the ones mentioned there, right? It's under WPScan team WPScan. A primer on WPScan's database. WPScan uses information within a local database as a primary reference point when enumerating for themes and plugins. As we'll come to detail later, a technique that WPScan uses when enumerating is looking for common themes and plugins. Before using WPScan, it is highly recommended that you update this database before performing any scans. Thankfully, this is an easy process. You can simply use WPScan --update. Here you can see, let's do that right now. WPScan --update. In the next task, we will explore some of the more useful features of WPScan. As you can see, updating the database, update is complete, the same exact snapshot from TryHackMe. One thing different is the version that we use in the Kali. Answer the questions below. Let's explore WPScan. Let's go.